fine, lady. Fine.
I'm recording this.
Going out back?
Well, because I guess it's the way it started coming.
I know.
Watch the rookie's back out.
Correct.
I am recording, so pretend like it went well.
It went really well. We didn't hit anything. We did a donut. I think it was great. I think too.
We bought our new to us 1990 Pacific Seacraft 37 in February 2019. Travis had flown from Florida to San Diego weeks prior to be part of the sea trial, but otherwise we had not even taken her out of the slip. Our first trip to the boat was a short one, and we spent most of the time getting things ready for us to have company aboard and to prepare for our first sail. The inaugural sail was on a beautiful San Diego day, but did we attempt to do it on our own? Nope. We had my mom and our daughter on the boat with us. Mind you, we have never taken our sailboat out of the slip, and the first time we do, we risk the lives of others with us. Our boat has a tiller opposed to a wheel, which is like driving a car on the opposite side of the car and with a stick. There are great benefits with the tiller, just maybe not on our first sail of a large boat. We did a donut out of the slip when we started backing out, but all in all, for our first time sailing, we did fine. I mean, it was fine. We did fine. We took advantage of the beautiful weather and did a few touristy things before Mom and Hunter went back home. We visited Hotel del Coronado and went through the Maritime Museum too. It was a wonderful visit, and I'm so glad they were able to make it. We discovered that we had broke our sail on our last sail, which was technically the first sail. The top nylon sail slug that sits in the mast and guides the mainsail up the mast was broke. We're not sure when it broke, but we knew that we couldn't sail until it was repaired. A quick trip to Downward Marine, an upgraded slug, and we were back on the boat to try our hand at sail repair. We are quickly learning the boats need a lot of love and a lot of repairs. Sail, break, fix, repeat. I guess there was no better way to learn something new than just to jump in and repair things. So we removed all of the slugs through a small access port on the mast, and Travis was able to hand sew the nylon strap back on, and we had an operational sail again. I sped up the video on this because nobody wants to see 9 minutes of us trying to figure stuff out, so instead you get 2 minutes of it. Enjoy. Once we had the sail fixed, we could not pass up an opportunity to sail. Our guests had left, and it was St. Patrick's Day, which is our anniversary, and the weather was beautiful. We successfully navigated out of our slip without doing any donuts, and we went the right way out, and headed out to San Diego Bay for our second attempt at sailing. The bay was much busier than our first attempt, which added a little stress, and although you can't hear it in the video, because again I sped it up, there's a lot of yelling and cussing as we learn how to sail our boat together. And yes, Travis is wearing a kilt.